Welcome to the Data Science Mentor channel. My goal is to make this channel the ultimate source for anyone who is aspiring to become a data scientist. I won't be covering just theoretical concepts, but I hope to teach you everything that has to do with doing data science the right way. From installing and properly setting up tools like Python and Git, to acquiring data, exploring it, and creating effective visualizations, all the way to using machine learning and deep learning to build models and documenting your work. Any topics and concepts we discuss will be accompanied with hands-on components to reinforce your understanding of the concepts, which will definitely be available for you to download and use. It will be a long way until we get there, so make sure to subscribe if you wish to get notified every time I put up a new video. I'm looking forward to embarking on this journey together.